Kai koutou. Ko Lucy aho. I am Lucy.
E mua today, Winton School. Ko Riley aho. I am Riley. Welcome to the NEWS News for Ratu, the 23rd of February.
Okay, let's start the day with Tidy Class Awards for Week 3. A pizza drum roll, please.
For rooms 1 and 6. Congratulations and keep up the good work, Koto.
Okay, straight into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is reka, which is te rero for yummy, sweet or tasty.
As in te no reka tēnā kai. This food is yummy.
Ooh, can I please have some of the kai reka, the yummy food?
Sure, reka, which is te reo for yummy, sweet or tasty.
On to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is high from 12 to 4.
And make sure you are wearing your pō tai and your sun smart from 10:30, Koto. Kia ora.
And high vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Sports news. Please return all equipment to the trolleys at the end of interval and lunchtime.
That includes the tyres going back into the bark chip pit too, please.
Okay, one birthday at Winton School today. Gabby Beaumont is 9 years old today.
Happy birthday, Gabby. Have a great day.
Alrighty, that's it for today. From everyone here at the NEWS team, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā, and stay sharp, Winton School.